Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be giving you guys a complete disaster clean with me video. I gotta clean my house. It's a mess, so I figure I'll just inspire someone and motivate someone who needs a good kick in the butt to get their day started or night, whatever it is. Whatever motivation you need, I am here for you. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to be working with, and then we're going to go ahead and get into the video.
I can't tell what's wrong or right. Should I go without saying goodbye? All I know is I need to be somewhere else to set me free. I don't know what to do now. Need to figure it out, but I don't know how. I hope the wind will carry me and take me.
I wanted to start in my messiest place, and that was of course the kitchen. So to start off, I wanted to empty my dishwasher so I can go on and start on the dirty dishes.
There's a hunger in my soul, makes me keep on trying, holding on, take me on.
So I recently noticed that I have some new friends on here. First of all, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and welcome to my little fam jam. I wanted to do a little introduction of myself. My name is Aliane Oliver. I am a mama of two boys, a 5-year-old and an almost 3-year-old. I have been married to my wonderful husband for 6.5 years, and I've been doing YouTube for a few years now, and I absolutely love it. So thank you so much for choosing to spend your time with me, and I hope you will keep coming back.
Wide awake with an open mind, looking out from a mountain high. I don't know what to do now. Need to figure it out, but I don't know how. I hope the wind will carry me and take me away to where I should be. I don't know where I belong, but I keep on searching for my home. There's a hunger in my soul.
After loading the dishwasher, I had a few dishes that I wanted to wash by hands, like my pots and pans and also my knives, because I don't like to put those in the dishwasher because I just want them to last a little bit longer, and the dishwasher can I think it can dull up your knives and also just ruin the pots and pans. So I try to hand wash as much as I can.
You had me at hello, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You came right out of the blue. I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away.
After hand washing everything, I wanted to dry it up and put it away so that I could go ahead and give the countertops a good wipe as well.
Saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and save you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you're at
Now it was time for me to clean out my sink and take out all the food particles in there. I love these little food stoppers I got from the dollar store, and they're just so easy to take out. Dump it in the garbage can and then bring them back so nothing goes down the sink. But I recently had to freshen up my sink. It had such an odor that was just nasty, and I poured some Coca-Cola down the drain and it took away the smell. So if you ever come across your sink having a funny smell, I recommend to use Coke. And also another thing that works is just using pure white vinegar as well, and you just pour it down your drain and it will clean it out.
You save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need it too? 'Cause I got you, and you got me too.
I've got something on my mind. I bet you know what I'm thinking about. You know I can't stop loving you. Every time when you're looking at me, it feels like my heart is skipping a beat, yeah. You know I can't live without you. You make me crazy in a good way. So come on, baby, let's talk. Let's talk about love, like you and me all night. And let's talk about love and feeling alright. And let's talk about love. Yeah, baby, come and dance with me. You're everything I'll ever need. So let's talk about love. Can I take you out tonight? Kiss you in the moonlight. There is no place I'd rather be. Come on, girl, we can take my car, drinking some beers in your favorite bar, yeah. You know I can't live without you. You'll make me crazy in that good way. So come on, baby, let's talk. Let's talk about love, like you and me all night.
Once I was done wiping the counters, I wanted to give my stove a good scrubbing because I had a lot of dried food on there, so it was time for me to shine it up a little bit. I don't do this every day. I don't use that cleaner every day, but when it starts getting out of control and I see that a lot of things are drying up on it, I will go ahead and use that cleaner. I just find that it lifts up all the yuckiness off of the stove much easier than just me wiping it down.
I've got something on my mind. I bet you know what I'm thinking about. I've got something on my mind. Let's talk about love, like you and me all night. And let's talk about love.
I grabbed that white bin from the Dollarama here in Canada, or any dollar store. I'm sure they will have it, but I wanted it for our recycling, so that I don't have to do multiple trips a day to take out the recycling whenever I start collecting them. So I like to have that bin where I could put everything in and then just take it outside at the end of the night. The top of the fridge was starting to collect a lot of things. I wanted to stop that while I still could. So I went ahead and I cleaned it out. I put everything where they needed to go. And I gave it a good wipe down because there was a lot of dust up there.
Keep craving you the days that you don't want me. Like searching for some heat inside a cold breeze. On and on forever, won't you hold me? Now won't you hold me? Oh, 'cause baby I try to tell lies. Now I could spell them out if I still try.
There's always a toy or two on the floor in the kitchen, so before I started working on the floors, I wanted to make sure I picked up everything so that I could be able to vacuum and also do a little bit of mopping as well.
Baby, we can do this all night. We can do it.
I finally found some kitchen mats that were comfortable for my feet. I got these from Costco. I have been hunting them down. You have no idea. Every time I went, they didn't have a color that would go with my kitchen. So I finally found those ones, and they're so cushiony, if that's a word, but they got a lot of cushion on them. And when I'm doing dishes, I'm standing for quite a bit, and my feet don't feel any pain at all. It just feels so comfortable to stand on them.
Now won't you hold me? Oh, 'cause baby I try to tell lies. Now I could spell them out if I still tried. 'Cause I don't care as long as you're there. As long as you're there. Baby, we can do this all night. Keep on second guessing our love, oh love. I don't really care if you don't mind. Baby, we can do this all night. We can do it all night. We can do it all night. Baby, won't you hold tight, hold tight.
I recently purchased this Vileda mop, and I love it. I used to have one before, and I don't think I really enjoyed it as much as I did this time. I just love how convenient it is. I can make up my own mopping solution so that I don't have to buy any replacement like I was doing with my Swiffer mop. It was just becoming so costly with the Swiffer wet jet. If you have one and you love it, I'm not putting it down whatsoever, but I'm just saying that this is what's convenient for me, and I just love that I can make up my own solutions and scents, and I don't have to keep purchasing the replacements.
Won't you hold tight, hold tight, hold tight.
The kitchen took me a while to complete, but I was moving on to doing the dining room now. There wasn't much to do there. I just simply cleared the table, gave it a good wipe, and then I started working on the floors.
And I'm dying to tell you, well I know that by now it is obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you.
The living room was also not bad at all. I just had to put away the blankets and pick up a few toys that the boys have brought up from downstairs. And then I also vacuumed one of my couches. It's the one that we mostly sit on. The kids love to sit on it when they're watching the TV. So when they're snacking on their food ends up under the cushions. So I definitely wanted to make sure that I vacuumed up everything. Thankfully, the couch was not as bad as I thought it would be, so I just went ahead and I used my Dyson vacuum, and then I just added that attachment to it, and the cleaning was not too bad. And then I went ahead and I worked on the rug. The rug had crumbs on it, so they definitely did drop a few things on there. But yeah, I wanted to give the rug a good vacuum and also the floors before I went ahead and did some mopping. That is it for the video, you guys. Thanks so much for hanging out with me, and I hope you got a ton of motivation out of this video. Go ahead and subscribe if you have not done so, or if you're new to my channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
I'm just not tired. I can hear the raindrops fall.